Ways to go ahead and create competition advantage is do simple race drills. We're going to do cone race drills here, but there's a progression to it. What I'm going to do is have Sammy and Maddie go ahead and do 1 rep to get used to the drill first. So their hands are on the cone, they have to touch the cones both out and when they come back. 1 rep, I'm going to send them off when they're ready. Set, go. Get out, get back, quick, and down. Now, the reason I do 1 rep is so they start to understand the drill. Now, if you really want to create competition and actually to see if there's a difference in speed, we're going to do it for 3 reps. So they're going to do 3 reps, and we're going to see who gets back to the cone the 3rd time. They have to touch. If they do not touch, it's a disqualification, so they have to touch the cone. We'll let them go for 3 reps. You guys ready? Set, go. They're moving, they're going, they're quick, that's it, that's it, that's it, that's it, that's it, and done. And now you can see how that creates a little bit of separation, so you start seeing. Obviously, Maddie's distance, her strength level, once again remember, senior versus freshman, strength level in her leg strength allows her to get lower and be able to move and cover greater ground. Remember, stride length and stride is really dictated by strength. If you have enough strength, you're going to have more of a stride. So as Sammy gets older, I guarantee you that race will be much, much, much closer as they go along. But right now, it's just a strength thing, and it'll get there.